everyone, Terry Fields, Protegis Fire and Safety, and as promised, we're going to talk about you selling your parts back to us. I'm literally standing in front of a pallet that just came in from one of our customers that we purchased, and I am with our fabulous Mike Krieger, our buyer. He's going to tell you how easy this is going to be for you. Mike?
This process is as simple as it can be. You take out parts from a tear out, you box them up, you put them on a pallet, you email me the weight of the pallet, we will schedule the freight to pick it up. Once the parts come in, the items that we don't want, we will scrap. The items that we do want, we'll keep, and we'll give you an offer of what we're willing to pay. Simple process.
Easy peasy, guys, just like we said. If you want any other information, please contact Mike. His email's below, telephone number is below. Let us know. Stop wasting your money. Stop throwing your parts away. See you next time.